All right, so here we're going to use log properties to solve equations. So before we can evaluate, we need to get the log by itself. So we need to subtract 6 from both sides. Get negative log 3x equals negative 8. And then we need to divide by negative 1 to get rid of this negative, and we get log of 3x equals 8. Now we can evaluate. We know this base is a common log, so the base is 10. So we have 10 to the 8 equals 3x. We write it in exponential notation, which would be 10 with 8 zeros. 3 equals 3x. And then we divide by 3, and we get x equals 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Should be 8 threes, one more, 0.33 repeating. And that would be our solution. So that's just using our properties and evaluating. We really already know how to do that. Over here we have another one with more properties. Here we actually have to use power and product property. So here this 2 would come up, and then we have addition, so it would be product property. So we get log of 4x squared when we multiply those together. That's power and product that are kind of all did in one step. Now we can evaluate. So we have 10 squared equals 4x squared, which would be 100 equals 4x squared. And if we divide by 4, we get 25 equals x squared. When we square root, we get x equals plus or minus 5. However, we know here we can't have a negative log, so it would just be x equals 5. Alright, and last one, here we have logs on both sides, and that is not what we want. So we want to do something to get that log just on one side. So we're going to subtract this side, because that will leave our plain number over here. And then over here we'll have log of 7x plus 1 minus log of x minus 2. I didn't give myself enough room. So this is x minus 2. And now this is quotient property since it's minus. So this would be log of 7x plus 1 over x minus 2 equals 1. And then this is a log base 10, so we would swirl. 10 to the 1 equals 7x plus 1x minus 2. 10 to the 1 is just 10, so we can put this over 1 and cross multiply. So we get, oops, this should be x minus 2. We get 7x plus 1 equals 10 times x minus 2. And then we distribute, get x on one side, and divide by 3, and we get x equals 7. So similar, just remembering that if you ever have the log on both sides, you want to subtract to get the log, or add to get the logs on the same side, and your number on the other side. Then you can use your property.